In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates on Google. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. When you click on it, a new window will pop up displaying your familiar Chrome interface. This is the gateway to your browsing experience. It is important to ensure that you always have the latest version of Chrome, as updates often include security enhancements, new features, and performance improvements. You will see your home page or the last page you visited, which makes it easy to get started. Next, we need to access the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. This menu icon looks like three stacked dots and is a vital part of navigating Chrome's functionalities. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu appears, revealing various options for managing your browser. This menu is your command center for all things Chrome. It's where you'll find settings, bookmarks, and tools to enhance your browsing experience. It's essential to get familiar with this menu as it will help you navigate Chrome more efficiently. From the drop-down menu, select Help and then click on About Google Chrome. This option is usually located near the bottom of the list. When you choose this, a new page will open within the Chrome window. This page is critical as it provides you with information about your current version of Chrome. It will show the version number and any available updates. Knowing this information is important because running an outdated version can expose you to security risks and bugs. Now, Chrome will automatically check for updates. This process happens quickly and ensures that you have the latest features and security patches. On your screen, you might see a progress indicator. This is reassuring because it shows that Chrome is actively working to keep your browser up to date. If an update is found, it will download in the background. This automatic checking is a great feature that saves you the hassle of manually searching for updates. If an update is available, you will see a button that says Relaunch. Click on that button to finish installing the update. This will allow Chrome to apply the latest changes. You will notice that your browser closes and restarts. This step is vital as it ensures that all updates take effect properly. If you don't see the Relaunch button, that means you are already using the latest version of Google Chrome. This is reassuring because it confirms that your browser is up to date and running smoothly. Keeping your browser updated is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Regular updates not only enhance security but also improve performance and add new features. By following these steps, you ensure that your Chrome is functioning at its best. Remember that staying current with software updates is a simple yet effective way to protect your online activities. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to check for updates on Google Chrome. Following these steps regularly will help keep your browsing safe and efficient. Enjoy your time online and don't forget to check for updates frequently.